Welcome to the navigation walkthrough for FleetOnGo. This guide will assist you in efficiently navigating through the application. Follow the precise instructions below to explore the features seamlessly. On the header section, click on the FleetOnGo logo to visit main dashboard. Access the top menu to find relevant options in FleetOnGo. This section is divided into 3 sections: Vehicles, Reports and Settings. Live Data option is visible on the dashboard to switch between Sample Data Mode and Live Data Mode. This sample data will help you understand how your portal will look when you have entered some of your data. Click again to come back to Live Data. Vehicle drop-down section is given on top header section to quickly navigate inside the vehicle-specific dashboard. Select the vehicle whose detail you want to navigate. Click on the cog icon to access the settings menu. Click the back arrow button to go back to main menu. Click on question mark icon to see the help options like help video or knowledge base link. Top right corner will have a profile menu which has profile related options. This guide covered essential steps in navigating FleetOnGo for training. From accessing the main dashboard to logging out, you are now equipped to efficiently move through the application. Master the navigation process with ease using the provided instructions.